What's up, what's up, what's up? Yo, yo, yo. Hey, this is your boy Tony back with another YouTube video update on my stock market investments. So check it out, check it out. I started the year off with investing, $8,234.21. I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been following some pretty awesome people on YouTube. And they are not financial advisors either, but you know what? They're pretty damn smart. So, I ended up investing a good portion of my money into AMC and into Dogecoin. So, without further ado, I'd like to show you how much gains I've already made. This is simply by holding. Oh my gosh. Look at that. 51,000. And going. Just to the moon, baby. Straight to the moon. Look at AMC. Look at the Dogecoin. I'm a little down on the Dogecoin right now, but it's all good, baby. Not paper hand in here. Alright, check that out. AMC is a gamma squeezing right now. We've seen a good run up. Where did it come from? Oh my gosh. Was it like $10.95? $9 was going down. People got scared. But then look at that. It's up at $63.52. Oh, and going. A share. This is crazy. So if you just look down here a little bit, let me go back up. I have 760 shares. It's pretty impressive, but I'm not going to sell yet. Shorts haven't covered yet, so there's a ton of potential for this stock so far. Anyways, I would like to just say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. I'll try to come out with new content. I'm trying new techniques to make better videos. I'm not the most entertaining person in the world, but I appreciate you guys watching. So there you go. There's a little short video for you.